Building a global team with Oyster is easier than ever before. If you're looking to expand your business and hire internationally, this tool simplifies everything from hiring to managing a global workforce. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to build a global team seamlessly, but also how you can try Oyster completely free with some exclusive bonuses just for you. Let's dive in. Oyster is a comprehensive platform designed to help businesses hire and manage employees anywhere in the world. What sets Oyster apart is its ability to handle all the complex legal, tax, and compliance issues that come with hiring internationally. You don't need to set up entities in foreign countries or worry about navigating international labor laws. Oyster manages all of that for you, allowing you to focus on what matters, growing your business and managing your team. One of the best features of Oyster is its global payroll system. Once you've hired someone, Oyster automates payments in local currencies, ensuring that your employees are paid accurately and on time, no matter where they are located. Whether you have team members in Asia, Europe, or anywhere in between, Oyster handles all the currency conversions and local tax requirements, making it easy to stay compliant across borders. Oyster also makes it easy to onboard new hires. The platform provides a smooth, straightforward experience for both you and your employees. From contract creation to document management, everything is stored securely and organized in one place. It's user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be an HR expert to manage your team efficiently. Whether you're hiring for a single role or building a large international team, Oyster scales with your needs. When it comes to employee benefits, Oyster gives your team members access to local health insurance, retirement plans, and other benefits that are tailored to their specific location. This ensures that no matter where your employees are based, they have access to the same high-quality benefits that you would expect in your own country. This helps improve employee satisfaction and retention, which is critical when you're managing a global team. But it doesn't stop there. Oyster also provides tools to help with performance tracking, compliance monitoring, and even time-off management. These tools help ensure that your team is operating efficiently and that you're staying in compliance with local laws, making your international operations run smoothly. Now, you might be wondering if this kind of service is costly or difficult to set up. Not at all. Oyster is designed to be accessible and cost-effective, offering a straightforward pricing model based on the number of employees you have. Plus, it's not just for large enterprises. Small businesses and startups can benefit from Oyster's global hiring capabilities, allowing them to tap into talent worldwide without the overhead costs of traditional global expansion. Want to get started with Oyster? I've got great news for you. If you check the first link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial so you can experience Oyster's full range of features without any risk. So, to wrap it up, if you're looking to build a global team with ease and efficiency, Oyster is the tool for you. From global payroll and onboarding to employee benefits and compliance, it's an all-in-one platform that takes the headache out of international hiring. And remember, with our exclusive bonus offer, you can try it completely free. Don't miss out on the opportunity to build your global team the smart way.